Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to integrate a Zoom meeting directly with your Wix site. If you've ever wanted to set up virtual events, classes, or meetings that your visitors can easily join, this step-by-step tutorial will show you how to make it all happen smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add a Zoom meeting to your Wix site and have it all set up, ready to go for your attendees. Let's jump straight in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Wix dashboard. Look for the App Market button. It's usually on the left menu. This is where Wix houses all the optional apps you can add to your site, almost like adding plugins to make your website smarter and more powerful. Now in the App Market search bar, type Wix Events and Tickets. This is the app we're going to use to manage your events, tickets, and most importantly, integrate video conferencing with Zoom. Don't worry if you haven't used it before, it's designed to be pretty user-friendly, even if you're new to running events online. Once you've found Wix Events and Tickets, click the Add to Site button. There may be a few prompts to confirm, or it might ask which site you want to add the app to if you have more than one. Just follow those on-screen steps and pretty soon, you'll see it appear in your dashboard as a new section. With the app installed, look for and click Manage Events. This is exactly where you'll create and manage all your upcoming gatherings, whether virtual or in person. Now go ahead and click Create Event. You'll be presented with a set of fields, things like your event name, description, date, time, and other details. Spend a moment here to fill out the basics. For example, if you're hosting a webinar, you might name it something catchy and add a description that tells your visitors what to expect. Don't rush through this. The information you input here helps your audience know if the event is right for them. Once you're happy with those details, you'll see an option to create draft. This step is helpful if you're still finalizing plans or if you want to preview everything before your event goes live. Think of it as saving your work. You're not publishing to the world just yet, so you can come back and edit anytime before launch. Next, let's add Zoom as the video conferencing tool. Go to the Features section, then find and click on Video Conferencing. Here, where the magic happens, you'll see an option to set up video conferencing. Click that, and when prompted, select Zoom Connect. Now, before you continue, make sure you already have a Zoom account set up. If not, it's super quick to create one. Just hit pause, sign up for Zoom, and then come right back. Ready? Click Allow so Wix and Zoom can work together. This authorization is important. It lets Wix automatically add your unique Zoom meeting link to the event page, making it easy for guests to join the call right from your website. It's safe and secure, and you're in control at all times. Once your Zoom connection is set up, finish filling in any remaining event details. Maybe you want to add ticketing, customize reminders, or double-check your time zone. Take a moment here to review everything. When you're sure it all looks correct, hit Publish. That's it, your Zoom meeting is now fully integrated and live on your Wix site, and you're all done. Now your visitors can register and join your Zoom events directly from your website, saving everyone time and hassle. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give the video a like, drop any questions you have in the comments. I always check those and love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next online event.